So, where am I? In the bedroom of the RV. Because of this big window. The one behind me. Lets sunlight come through. And that makes this room the warmest in the RV. And trust me, the air outside is cold. I've been out there. And if it wasn't for the back end of my RV, I mean, basically my RV is a windbreak at that point, stopping the wind from hitting me, I'd be freezing out there. I'm about to move my solar panel in for the night. For the day. I'm going to go down and get some water at South. I need 4 gallons, for cleaning and stuff. I take a bath. Well, I'll probably take a bath tomorrow. I take sponge baths to preserve water, not to shower. I've got a shower, but I don't use it. I'm pretty sure that tomorrow will be. I'm hoping tomorrow will be warmer. This is a wind that is coming in from, I don't know, maybe the north. Yeah, somewhere around the northwest, and it's cold. That's all I can say about it. Really cold. So I'm inside the RV today. Bathroom door open so that it will get some of the warm air from inside the RV because it's cold in there too. Oh God! And I picked up some corned beef and cheese for a sandwich. I mean, I got a corned beef cheese sandwich. And a few other things at the market. A&W, sugar-free root beer. 0 sugar root beer. I guess it depends on how you define the word zero. It's a lawyer thing. And I've cleaned up a little bit around here because I made one turn rather fast and things went flying. The salsa I had and everything went flying. So I got it all picked up for the most part. And then tomorrow I will use some of that water. I will heat it up, put it in the sink, and use it with a sponge mop and finish mopping the floor. I mean, I got all of the stuff off of the ground, I really did. But I want to make sure it's as clean as it can be. So, oops. Yeah. And the reason why things are so, weird on lighting is sunlight directly behind me, man. That's my solar panel, So, and I did go off this morning for breakfast. Like I did a late lunch yesterday. I did a late lunch at the Chinese restaurant up here. Really nice place. I try to go there every day. And then this morning I went over to Norm's, which is Quail Mountain Restaurant. On the top of, as you go up Quail Mountain, or Moon Mountain Road, and it's on the left-hand side of the street for those of you in Courtside. That's the mayor's place. And I like to go in there and eat at least once a week. And on the weekends, Helen is in there, which is an old gal she's a little older than me. And it's like going in and having your mom cook for you, Really nice. So I had ham and eggs, and I mean a ham steak. I had a quarter ham, so only a quarter of the steak is all I needed. But it was probably about yay thick, with the bone in, of course. And I had that and the hash brown, eggs, milk, coffee, sourdough toast. And I sat in a corner booth that was big enough for 6 or 7 people, but it was the only table left in the front section of the house. It's normally Norm's booth. I mean, he uses it. When his buddies come in, that's where they go. But I sat there and had that all to myself, and it was really nice. I got to survey the whole place. Normally, I'm sitting up front by the waitress station, but this time I was way in the back watching it all. It was nice. Anyway, this is Pops. I'm out. See you later. Maybe I'll see you down south today. Bye.